Yo, what's up, hackers? I hope you're enjoying the holiday season so far. So today's topic is basically going to be about Chase offers. Now, I'm pretty sure a lot of you who have Chase out there have gotten an email in your mailbox, saying that introducing Chase offers. Well, I'm going to kind of explain to you what it's all about and how to use them, basically. So first, let's start off with what are Chase offers. Chase offers is basically store credits or basically little discounts. Even you can have cash back or you get points back with them on your credit card or your debit card. So the cool thing about this is that you're able to save money and then also get cash back at the end of the day on certain items that you would normally get, a flat 2% back, on your cards or your cash back. So the best thing about this that I like is that Chase Freedom card and I get 5% back on rotating categories. That's only with rotating categories. Now with Chase offers, I can basically look up on and say, okay, well, I'm going to Macy's and they're showing they have 5% back at Macy's. Perfect. I can add the 5% Macy's back on my Chase Sapphire card or Chase Freedom card, and basically, I can use that to my best abilities, which is great. So I don't only have to be locked in that 5% category. So the best thing about this is that you can also access it through the Chase UR Points portal, which is great. And I have done this before. It has basically taken me to the link. You press the link, basically. How it works is that you press the link, and then once you press that link, it's going to reroute you to that website. Once it reroutes you to that website, you have to make sure that you're using that link in that website that basically took you to that point. So make sure you use that. If not, you won't get your points. One time I was shopping for American Eagle, getting some jeans, and I did the link. I went back or whatever and bought the jeans like next morning and opened up a different link or whatever because my computer, I shut it down and I didn't get the points. And I was like, yo, where's the points at? And then Chase was like, oh, you didn't use the link. But then they actually gave me the points anyway because I had just talked with them about it. So I guess that works. Thank you, Chase. Shout out to you guys for that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So the cool thing about Chase offers that I want to talk about today is that now you can access it through your Chase mobile app, which is pretty important for your cell phone and just for you in general, because I'm on my cell phone more than I am on an actual computer, so it just works a lot better for me. And you're actually able to add an offer on your debit card, which is really cool. Because so people, if you don't even have a credit card yet and you're still you're still in school, high school, whatever, and you just have like a student card or something, you can actually put a Chase offer on your debit card, which is cool because now even the people who can't get a credit card yet can still start working up and saying, okay, I can get this cash back even with a debit card. So hey, shout out to that. I think that they're doing that because with Amex, you can only use it with their credit cards because Amex really doesn't do the debit card game. They don't really have, they have prepaid cards, but that's about it. No one usually goes to their bank services. They usually go for their credit cards, not like for debit cards. So I think that's pretty awesome that Chase did that. There's actually a couple offers right now that I saw, them for Neiman Marcus. So, Bloomingdale's people there, it's really good right now because it's the holiday season, and when you do want to shop, you can actually shop a little bit better now because you're saving like 5% back, 6% back, some other even saying 10% back, and I think that's really good because you're getting that store credit or you're getting any cash back. Mind you, it will take either 7 to 14 business days for that all to kick in. So if you don't see it on your statement right away, just don't panic. It kicks in. And if you don't see it after your statement closes, call Chase up and let them know what happened, because like they did with me, they might be considerate with you too. So before going any further with the video, I actually want to read some of these offers to you off actually my phone, because I think it's really cool that this is even possible. So let's just take a look at it real quick. ADT, the security provider, gets you $100 back. If you can see, let's clear that up a bit. Well, yeah, you get my point. So right there, $100 back, 5 days left to do that, to redeem that. So that's pretty cool. You have Omaha Steaks, Omaha Steaks. I think that's what it is. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Alright, so that's pretty cool. And then most of these are like restaurants, but a lot of these are actually department stores, which is really cool. They got Lowe's, so people who are moving now, this is the best place to go to. You get 10% back. It lasts in 25 days. So the cool thing about this, Little Caesars Pizza, look at this. I'm not even lying. Let's clear that up a bit. Little Caesars Pizza. That is awesome. So you see right there that there's like a lot of cool things happening with Chase offers. It's not only happening with the department stores where you go shopping, but also with food. So save money through your food even more. And a lot of people are going to take advantage of this. people who don't have credit cards will take advantage, and people who do have the credit cards are also going to take advantage as well. So Chase offers is doing pretty good right now. For me personally, a lot of these actually match to what I want to do more so than the Amex offers, I would say. Only because Amex offers is kind of like give or take. Like one time they had this Amazon deal out during the summer, which was really cool, and a lot of people were gravitating towards that because it was like, okay, there you can get this much back with Amazon. And I actually bought a couple stuff on Amazon because I was like, let me just get rid of this and do it right now. So especially during the holiday season, people can actually shop more affordably and not have to get ran over at a Black Friday. But y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I would like to say thank you for watching this video today. Let me know how you're liking the Chase offers. If it's something that you would use in the future, or if something that you wouldn't use in the future, tell me why or why not. Other than that, make sure that you actually try to take advantage of this because you'll save a lot of money, like I said before. And also, I want you to look at this clip of me trying to shop in a store very awkwardly. So if you want to avoid shopping in a store very awkwardly and order your stuff online at a good reasonable rate, then try not to do this. But here you go. So as you can see, we're right here in the store right now, and there's a lot of things that you can actually go for. So right here, what I have is just a couple of items: napkins, pans. These are the type of pans I was talking about because these work perfectly inside your oven, while at the end of the day still working outside of the oven as well. So you can store. So right now we're at a local grocery store right around the neighborhood, and it's a really good place to come to, mostly for the fact that a lot of people are going to Trader Joe's, Costco's, and everything like that. Costco's is really good for wholesale stuff. So if you want to get a lot of your items in bulk, I suggest you go to Costco's. You'll be saving a lot more money. A lot of the items also in here right now are actually really good deal. You know, besides this place, I would recommend a lot of other places, but for this, it's really good for what you're getting. A lot of things that you're seeing things like these. So anything with a special tag on it is basically the best thing to go for. People always try to go for like the things that are not on sale. Go for the things that are on sale. Alright, so after that, definitely subscribe to this channel if you found this information helpful in any type of way. Remember, we're trying to enjoy life and save money at the same time, like always. And hackers, thanks for watching. Also, give this video a like.